Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious mug muffin. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder for the dry mix. For wet ingredients, have 2 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, and 1 small egg ready. Also, select a microwave-safe mug that can hold at least 12 ounces. Now, let's get mixing. Start by whisking your dry ingredients directly in your mug until they are well combined. Next, add the milk, oil, and egg. Stir gently until everything is just moistened. Overmixing can make your muffin tough. This is also the perfect time to add your favorite flavorings, like a tablespoon of chocolate chips or a few fresh berries for a personalized treat. It's time to cook your mug muffin. Place your mug in the microwave and cook on high for 60 to 90 seconds. Keep in mind that cooking times can vary quite a bit depending on your microwave's wattage, so you might need to adjust slightly. The muffin is perfectly cooked when it looks set and springs back gently when lightly touched. Be careful not to overcook it, or it might become dry. Your mug muffin is ready. Carefully remove the hot mug from the microwave. It's best to let it cool for just 1 or 2 minutes before you dig in, as it will be very hot. For an extra special touch, consider adding a dollop of whipped cream, a sprinkle of cinnamon, or a dusting of powdered sugar. Enjoy your warm, delicious, and incredibly quick homemade mug muffin right away.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.